Hi, I'm Jacqueline.
Hi, I'm Jerry.
I'm Jackson.
I'm Greg.
And we are students at UMass Amherst, and this is our project for the environmental leadership in NRC 100.
As household heating costs continue to rise, numerous households nationwide find themselves unable to afford heating during the winter months. In Massachusetts alone, over 13,000 rural houses will experience fuel insecurity in the upcoming months, many of which belong to the elderly and larger families. Recognizing the need to address this pressing issue, the Massachusetts Department of Conservation and Recreation has implemented programs such as the Bureau of Forestry Community Wood Bank Program to help establish wood banks within the state. What is a wood bank, you may ask? Well, functioning similarly to a food bank, a wood bank is where municipal trees in the community are recycled and cut into firewood that can later be distributed to people and used as a source of heat. The wood bank we volunteered at is the Massachusetts Wendell Wood Bank Initiative, which was established just this year by the community of Wendell and has been maintained by the Department of Conservation and Recreation by workers such as our lovely project partner, Kristen Norwood, who could be seen in green.
This community service event took place in a town called Wendell, Franklin County, Massachusetts. We acknowledge that this town is on stolen Native American land, as it was formerly a part of the Nipmuc tribal land. The area in yellow is the land that was formerly owned and occupied by the Nipmuc people. After the spread of Western colonizers, this land was slowly taken over and colonized, first being settled in 1754 and was officially incorporated in 1781.
The technical definition of civic engagement is individual and collective actions designed to identify and address issues of public concern. Our definition of civic engagement is giving back to the community by addressing issues that are important to us. Civic engagement is important because we need to give back to the communities that give us so much.
During our time at the wood bank, our main job consisted of loading logs onto a hydraulic splitter, which is a machine that forcibly drives a wedge between a log to split it apart. Once the firewood was split, we then loaded them onto a conveyor belt that piled them into a trailer. In total, we managed to cut approximately 3/4 of a cord of wood. While that may seem like a lot, heating a 1,000 square foot space during winter typically requires about 2 to 3 cords of wood. To put that into perspective, that much amount of wood only heats a space that's about half the size of a tennis court. This is primarily why we chose to volunteer at the Wendell Wood Bank, given the urgent demand for wood and the need for a substantial volunteer force to meet this pressing demand.
It was nice knowing that we were able to help provide for at least one household over the winter, but it was humbling to know that all of the work that we put in could only serve one house. Going into the project, we didn't know exactly how much work was needed to heat one house, and it reinforces the idea that environmental leadership is necessary in order to fill the quota for the entire community. This experience provided our group with the opportunity to understand exactly how valuable participation is, and that more people need to participate in conserving natural resources.
With this in mind, we kindly ask that you consider volunteering at a local wood bank near you or any of the DCR affiliated ones on screen. Especially during the season of giving, your contribution of time and effort can make a significant impact, ensuring warmth and support for those in need. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed.